Scotty from Tas Auto Recyclers entering in a vehicle today. Today we've got a 2006 Nissan Navara D40. It's an STX dual cab, two-wheel drive high ride. It's got the 4 litre V6 petrol, coupled to a 5-speed auto trans. Bit of all-round damage on this one. It's done 219k. I'll just zoom into the engine. Very sweetly there. 4 litre V6. Got future reference on this car. The car number's 9635. It's got the dark grey cloth interior. Light speed auto, 219k. There we go. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.